Good morning, Frank Macias Elementary School. Welcome back to the Eagle's Nest. It is Monday, January 25th, 2021. My name is Mr. Ryan. And in case you did not hear the news, today is, yes, the 100th day of school, Eagles. Some of you might have noticed that we did not start today's broadcast with the national anthem. I wanted to wait so that I could introduce our very first FME broadcast of the Star-Spangled Banner sung by our FME choir. So please stand with pride, place your hand over your heart, and join our FME choir in the Star-Spangled Banner. Congratulations to our incredible FME 4th and 5th grade choir. You did a fantastic job singing our national anthem. It is not a very easy song to sing. You guys did wonderful, and I look forward to watching the national anthem every morning sung by our Eagles. So I want to welcome everybody to our 100th day of school. Everyone is invited to dress as a 100-year-old, or you can wear your favorite 100-day shirt. Parents, teachers, I want to remind you that we are going to have a Google photo album for everybody to share their pictures. I have the link on the screen. It is a bit.ly link, bit.ly/FME100day. Can't wait to see all of those pictures. I hope you guys have a great 100 day today. This next announcement is to our FME community. This Friday is our January Soaring Eagle Virtual Award Ceremony. It will take place immediately following ENN. Teachers, look for a very important email I sent this morning. It will have a link to the list of the award winners. It's very important that you check the list, look for any mistakes in spelling or grade level or teacher name. That way we can get it fixed before we create the certificates. So I know that we have presented this slide on our recent broadcasts of ENN. It's so important for our Eagles who attend school on campus to bring their water bottles every single day. Remember, the drinking fountains are closed for individuals to get water from the fountain. However, you can fill your water bottles. Next up, I want to remind our teachers that this is a week for library and music classes. We will send out a reminder email to all the teachers so that you can log into library music. I don't know if y'all remember that on Friday it was a jam-packed day with activities. I had to move all of my library classes to Monday, except for kinder. We were able to meet. So just a reminder to Miss Aguilera, Gomez, Vega, and Marquez, Galvan, Downey, Olguin, and Morales. We are going to have library class today during PE. Can't wait to see you guys. And just one more time, I want to thank everybody who participated and contributed to our Snow Globe Wishes bulletin board. It is amazing. And if you didn't get a chance to see the video on Friday, let me go ahead and share it with you one more time. I'm so happy to announce that we've narrowed down our selection for Books of the Month for next school year. Now is the time for us to order the books. I have sent an email to the literacy team with the information and details about all the books and with the ballots that you can vote. So if you are on the literacy team, please make sure that you cast that ballot by Tuesday at the latest so I can send out for a quote and we can get our books ordered for next year. Eagles, listen up. We have heard that a lot of students are not getting credit for their minutes on Amplify, and we think we know what might be happening. So I have a special guest, Junior Barraza, who has created a screencastify to discuss the proper way to close out the app so that you can get credit for all your minutes. Take it away, Junior.
Hello, everybody. This is a video to show you how to log out of Amplify. So when you're done with all your lessons, you're going to see this, your name over here. Once that you see that, you're going to want to click on it. It's going to say, "Are you sure you want to log out?" And it's going to say "Progress saved." You don't want to click go back or click X. You're going to want to click log out. And once you log out, it's going to show this screen. Once it shows that screen, you can exit out and go back to your class.
Great job, Junior. Students, please remember, follow Junior's steps. Make sure you log out properly for Amplify so you can get your minutes recorded.
Hi, Eagles. How do we fly? Respectful, responsible, safe, kind. Eagle's heart and eagle's mind. Spread your wings and wash your hands and put on your mask and spread your wings. I know you know it.
Next up, let's see how we're doing with our root beer floats with an exclamation mark contest. How many classes achieved 98%? Wow, our Eagles soared higher on Thursday. Look at that, we jumped up to 99.28%. That's 99 and 2800%. And looking at our bar graph for last Thursday, do you guys notice something? Do you notice something? Every single grade level achieved at least a 98%. Congratulations to first grade and third grade for achieving 100%. So looking at our competition chart, you guys can see that 4 grade levels are tied for first place. They have spelled out root. So again, 15 days spelling out root beer floats with the exclamation mark, and winners will get a yummy root beer float party. Frank Macias Elementary, this is one of those very rare moments on the news when we do not have a single birthday to report. I do know that we have Eagles celebrating birthdays tomorrow. So before we wrap up today's news, I want to remind everybody to make sure you're dressed up as a 100-year-old. We are celebrating our 100 days of school. That address is on the screen. So parents, again, please take those pictures and upload them to the address so that we can share them on our Google photo album. Have an absolutely fantastic Monday. Hope you all enjoy your 100 days of school. Bye-bye.